Lesson 1. Sentence fragments. This is one of the most common mistakes we do when we write a sentence. Let's see examples of sentence fragment. Problem 1. Fragment that lacks a subject. For example, Leia baked a chocolate cake, took it to the party. As you can see, there is no subject on the second sentence. Must be written like this. Leia baked a chocolate cake. She took it to the party. You should add the pronoun she to refer to the subject, who is Leia, to make the sentence clearer. Another example is in sentence 2. The fragment goes like this. Johnny thought the comedian was funny, laughed at his jokes. As you can see, the second sentence lacks a subject. It makes the sentence vague. Here is the solution. Johnny thought the comedian was funny. He laughed at his jokes. You should add he to refer to the subject, or add he to the fragment to make it a complete sentence. We have to remember that we have to make a complete sentence by adding a subject to the fragment.